Have you noticed that your hair has been falling out more than usual? Hair loss is one of the most common problems associated with physical appearance in the world. It affects both men and women. Fortunately, there are natural ingredients that, if applied regularly, bring several benefits to your hair, without causing adverse effects. Here's how to make your own oil at home and end hair loss in a few days. You will need 5 tablespoons garlic oil, 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, half a teaspoon rosemary oil. Processing time: 45 minutes. Process: 1. In a jar, combine all the oils and shake well to mix. 2. Take 2 tablespoons of the oil, blend and start to gently massage your scalp with it. 3. After 15 minutes of massaging, cover the length of your hair in the oil and let it sit for an additional 30 minutes. 4. Wash off with a mild shampoo. Conditioning is optional since the oil acts as a conditioner. You can apply it twice a week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe the channel.